iQOO has reportedly begun work on its 2026 flagship, the iQOO 14. While the current lineup lacks a Pro model, an earlier report suggests that the company's next flagship series will include two devices, a standard version and a Pro variant. A new leak from Tipster Digital Chat Station sheds light on the battery and charging specs of the iQOO 14 series, along with details about the company's upcoming Neo lineup, specifically the iQOO Neo 11. The iQOO 14 and 14 Pro might feature a 7,000 mAh battery. 7,500 mAh behemoth is rumored to be coming as a successor to the Neo 10. The iQOO 14 series is expected to debut flat Samsung OLED panels, a shift from the BOE and Visionox OLED screens used in the iQOO 13 and 12 series. This change could bring improvements in display quality, brightness, and efficiency, include 1.5K resolution OLED LTPO flat displays. The tipster revealed that the Pro model is likely to feature a periscope telephoto camera, which will be absent in the standard model. The iQOO 14 and 14 Pro may come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.